So it's dark. Well, who cares? Because you don't really need to see the color. Anyway, so give me a second. All right. Gatorade Zero. This is Glacier Cherry. This is room temperature. I did get a cup with ice. Now, as you can see, I got this on Walmart, and it is the 28 fluid ounces one. And I tried the Propel White Cherry. This is Glacier Cherry, but Propel is made by Gatorade as well, I guess. So I expected it to taste similar, maybe a different here and there, but it smells very similar to the, was it Powerade White Cherry? Was it Powerade? Not Propel, Powerade. I'm stupid, I'm sorry. They're just very similar. Like, I wouldn't really notice the difference per glass. So room temperature, I do like it. Can I show the mug? I got it from my mom. I got hit in the nose with some ice. Can I look it both ways? You're definitely going to taste it more room temperature. But I think it's good both ways. And I like how it's kind of confusing. Bye.